Shall we begin?
Friends, paleo diet contains proper balance of plant and animal foods and the correct ratios of protein, fat and carbohydrate required for weight loss and excellent health. Our ancestors ate this diet that is rich in lean protein. This lean protein making us feel full and because it has high satiating value. Today I am going to share what to eat and how to eat in paleo diet. So let's begin. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Indian's Lifestyle in Melbourne. Friends, it is popular in the United States, United Kingdom, Canada, Singapore, Hong Kong and United Arab Emirates. The ground rules for paleo diet. All the lean meats, fish and seafood you can eat. All the fruits and non-starchy vegetables you can eat. No cereals, no legumes, no dairy products and no processed foods. Low-fat protein is improving your blood lipid and cholesterol levels as studies from Dr. Bernard Wool's laboratory at the University of Western Ontario have confirmed. Low-fat protein also prevents blood sugar swings and reduces risk of hypertension, stroke, heart disease and certain type of cancers. Friends, when you put into practice the nutritional guidelines of this paleo diet, you will actually moving forward by going back in your lives.
The lean meats you can take in paleo diet. Grass-fed or pasture-raised meats, lean cut or trim of fats. Examples of beef: ground beef, burger patties, lean 7% fat, extra lean 5% fat. Flank steak, chuck steak, sirloin steak, strip steak, filet mignon. Examples of veal: top round, leg cutlet, loin chop, escalope, sirloin steak, arm steak, rib chop. Lamb or goat examples: leg chop, shoulder chop, loin chop, rib chop. Examples of pork: sirloin chop, loin chop, boneless chop, tenderloin. Wild game and exotic meats: bison or buffalo, sirloin steak, rib steak, T-bone steak, ground bison. Wild boar: goulash, haunch, strip loin, tenderloin. Other wild game meats and birds: pigeon, partridge, quail, guinea fowl, muscovy duck, alligator, rabbit, bear. Grass-fed or pasture-raised poultry, skinless, trim of fat. Chicken: breast, whole leg, whole bird, liver. Duck: breast, whole leg, whole bird. Turkey: thigh, drumstick, breast, whole bird. Salmon, tuna, orange roughy, bluefish, mackerel, sardines, trout, herring, swordfish, trout, hale. Examples of flatfish: cod, shark, monkfish, rockfish, red mullet, grouper, sunfish, perch, red snapper, yellow snapper, tilapia, great mullet, wally, drumstick, haddock, sea bass, strip bass, river cobra. Shellfish: squids, crab, scallops, mussels, langstone, oyster, abalone, clams, shrimps, crayfish, crawfish, lobster. The fruits you can take in paleo diet. Fruits are high in sugar and limit to 3 servings per day. Friends, if you are losing weight with the paleo diet. Avocado, apricot, apples, fig, persimmon, guava, plums, kiwi, nectarian, pear, passion fruit, cherimoya, watermelon, papaya, carambola, peaches, pomegranate, rhubarb, lychee, caspellan, grapes, mango, pineapple, stasum mandarin, lime, lemon, orange, tangerine, grapefruit, cantaloupe, honeydew, blueberry, cranberry, boysenberry, blackberry, raspberry, strawberry, cuberry, gooseberry, cherries. Friends, banana is a starchy fruit and it is great for energy replacement after exercising, and limit these quantities if you are losing weight. The vegetables you can take in paleo diet. Mustard green, sweet chard, collard green, watercress, spinach, purslane, Italian parsley, curly parsley, cabbage, Brussels sprouts, beet greens, dandelion greens, turnip green, kale, lettuce, spring greens, celery, seaweed, endive, green onions. Flower vegetables: cauliflower, broccoli, artichoke, asparagus. Fruits vegetables: eggplant, pumpkin, zucchini, bell peppers, butternut squash, tomatillos, tomatoes, organ squash, cucumber, spaghetti squash. These are starch food, great for energy replacement after workout, and limit these quantities if you are losing with the paleo diet. Nuts and seeds and oils you can take in paleo diet. Nuts: almonds, pecans, cashew nuts, chestnuts, hazelnuts, pistachios, walnuts, Brazil nuts, pine nuts, macadamia nuts. And seeds: pumpkin seeds, sesame seeds, sunflower seeds. And the oils: coconut oil, macadamia oil, walnut oil, avocado oil, olive oil, flaxseed oil, sesame seed oil, red palm oil. Friends, if you are losing weight with the paleo diet plan, limit the consumption of nuts and seeds to 4 ounces per day and oils to 4 teaspoons per day.
Friends, these nuts and seeds are rich in healthful fats, monosaturated fats. You should eat fruits and vegetables with every meal along with moderate amounts of nuts and seeds. Friends, by this diet, there is gradual drop in weight week by week. But friends, some of them, to lose weight, it takes 1 or 2 months or 6 months to a year. For those with severe weight, it takes a year or more. So eat well, lose weight with this paleo diet. In my next video, I will explain 2-week meal plan. Thank you friends. If you like this video, please click on like button and don't forget to subscribe my channel and click on bell icon. Thanks for watching.